Hello students, today we will start grammar revision with conjunctions. What is a conjunction? A conjunction is a joining word. Conjunctions are words that are used to join words, phrases and clauses. Examples of conjunctions: and, but, or, because, for, that, so that, therefore, though, yet, still. Now, see the let's practice part. Underline the conjunctions in the following sentences. I cannot lend you the book unless you return them on time. Here two sentences are joined with the word unless. Which are those two sentences? I cannot lend you the books unless you return them on time. If you do not return on time, I cannot lend you the books, and these two sentences are joined with unless. So, unless here is a conjunction. Mr. Mahato will not be able to meet anyone today for he is busy with an urgent project. So, here two sentences are joined with with the conjunction for. In number 3 sentence, I attended the meeting though I was very tired that day. Though is the joining word. You need 3 eggs, some finely chopped onions, a small portion of grated cheese and a pinch of salt to make a mouth-watering cheese omelette. Here and is the joining word or conjunction. In sentence 5, Nitin hasn't left the room even for a second since he arrived. Two sentences are joined with since, so since is the conjunction. Number 6 sentence, while Sheetal made the introduction, Raj pulled up the presentation. So, while is the joining word and while is the conjunction. They are a good team, yet they have never won a game. Yet is the conjunction here. In sentence 8, I asked her to come to the game with me, but she said she was busy. But is the conjunction here. I met her for coffee and we talked about the songs, and is the joining word here. Although it was very hot, we had a lot of fun at the beach. Although is the joining word here. Now, types of conjunctions. We have already studied this. There are three types of conjunctions: coordinating conjunction, correlative conjunctions and subordinating conjunctions. What are coordinating conjunctions? Coordinating conjunctions connect words, ideas or parts of a sentence that have an equal status in a sentence. Now, which are the coordinating conjunctions? For, and, but, nor, or, yet, so, etc. are coordinating conjunction. See the example. I cannot meet you at your place, or you can visit me. Here, two equal status of sentences are joined with or. Which are those two equal status of sentences? I can meet you at your place, you can come and visit me. And these two sentences are joined with or. So, or is the coordinating conjunction. Coordinating conjunction of addition is and. Coordinating conjunction of contrast are but, however, nevertheless, nonetheless, only, still, whereas, yet, etc. Coordinating conjunctions of choice are or and otherwise. Coordinating conjunction of logical deduction are for, so, therefore, etc. Now, come to the let's practice part and let's once again revise it. Ajanta is a very fine actress. Deepika is a very fine actress too. And the conjunctions are given in the box. We have to use them and solve it. Ajanta and Deepika are very fine actresses. Ganesh completed his work. His sister did not. So, these two sentences if we join, then it will be Ganesh completed his work, but his sister did not. He completed his work, he went to play in the garden. So this we can join these two sentences with the coordinating conjunction. So he completed his work, so he went to play in the garden. Or we can solve it in this way or using as also. As he completed his work, he went to play in the garden. Teachers love Mita, she is very sincere. Teachers love Mita as she is very sincere. Would you like to have a cup of tea? Would you like to have a glass of juice? Would you like to have a cup of tea or a glass of juice? You must spend more time on your studies. You won't be able to cope with the course. We can join these two sentences with coordinating conjunction or. You must spend more time on your studies or you won't be able to cope with the course. Farida is so young, but she is very mature. Today is a holiday and Ajoy got up late. Or we can say today is a holiday, so Ajoy got up late. Both the way we can solve it. I studied hard, I scored full marks. As I studied hard, I scored full marks. Tarun loves basketball, Tarun loves football, Tarun does not like cricket. Tarun loves basketball and football but does not like cricket. Now, correlative conjunctions. Which are correlative conjunctions? Both and, as well as, no less than, not only but also, no sooner than. All these are correlative conjunctions. Now, what do you understand by correlative conjunctions? Correlative conjunctions are used to correlate groups of words. They add emphasis to an argument. These conjunctions are made by combining more than one word and are therefore also called complex conjunctions. Okay. They always appear in pairs. Now see correlative conjunctions of addition. Which are they? Both and, as well as, not only but also, then no less than. Again, see correlative conjunction of choice. Which are they? Either or, neither nor, rather than. One example, let me read out one example. I would rather stay at home than be at the wedding ceremony. Here, see the let's practice. What is the instruction here? Circle both parts of the correlative conjunctions and underline the phrases, clauses or words that they join. Now, actually you should do it in your copy. Bulan eats either rice or chow mein for dinner. Here two sentences are joined with the correlative conjunctions either or. And which are those two sentences? Bulan eats rice, Bulan for dinner, Bulan eats chow mein for dinner. These two sentences are joined with correlative conjunctions either or. The film is not only entertaining but also educative. If we separate these two sentences, then what will be the sentences will be: this film is entertaining, this film is educative. Now these two sentences are joined with not only and but also, and the combined sentences: the film is not only entertaining but also educative. See the next sentence, Ranjan can play both the guitar and the drum. So both and is the correlative conjunction. These are the correlative conjunctions. I could find neither my glasses nor my tap. Neither nor here correlative conjunctions. Do you know whether Raja or his sister was looking for me? Whether or are the words and these are the correlative conjunctions. Your books are neither on the table nor inside the bookcase. So here correlative conjunctions are neither nor. John spoke both fluently and clearly. Both and here is the correlative conjunction. Mom, yes, mom wanted to know whether you prefer eating at home or going out. So whether or are the words here used as correlative conjunctions. Now coming to subordinating conjunctions. Subordinating conjunctions are used to join dependent clause to the main clause or independent clause. Now, see the example. She went trekking, although she knew it would be hard. She went trekking, this is the main sentence, and here the subordinating or independent clause is joined, although she knew it would be hard, and this is joined with the subordinating conjunction although. Some of the subordinating conjunctions are, see if you can read, after, before, since, when, while, until, because, since, so that, if, unless, until, although, though, while, where, wherever. Okay, now see here, we know subordinating clauses are noun clause, adverbial clause and adjective clause. See the example. I know that he is coming home. Here I know is the main or principal clause. That he is coming home is the subordinating noun clause, and that is the subordinating conjunction. See the adverbial clause. I was so tired that I fell asleep. Here I was is the main clause. So tired that I fell asleep. Sorry, I was so tired is the main clause. That I fell asleep is the subordinating adverbial clause, and that is the subordinating conjunction. Adjective clause. I took the paper that the teacher gave me. Here, that the teacher gave me is describing the paper. So, that the teacher gave me is the adjective clause, and that is the subordinating conjunction. Now, what is a complex subordinating conjunction? Subordinating conjunctions that are made up of more than one word are called complex subordinating conjunction. Those are although, yet, so that, such that, as if, etc. Now see the examples. As her mother is beautiful, she is beautiful like her mother. These two sentences are joined with as subordinating complex conjunction, and then the sentence will be she is as beautiful as her mother. Now circle the subordinating conjunctions in the following sentences. Please keep the box where you took it from. Here, please keep the box is the main clause, and where you took it from is the subordinating clause, and where is the subordinating conjunction. Likewise, your dress is as beautiful as mine. Here, your dress is beautiful. Mine, and then the comparison is done, and the subordinating clause is as beautiful as mine. Here two sentences. Your dress is beautiful like my dress. So this, your dress is as beautiful as mine. That is the total sentence, or after joining the two sentences. You should not go out in the rain even though you have a raincoat. You should not go out in the rain is the main clause. Even though you have a raincoat is the subordinating clause, and even though is the subordinating conjunction. You can use the computer if you need it. If is the subordinating conjunction, and the subordinating clause is if you need it. I was drinking tea in the garden when the children arrived. I was drinking tea in the garden is the main clause. When the children arrive is the subordinating clause, and when is the subordinating conjunction. After the bathroom flooded, we spent all afternoon trying to clean it up. We spent all afternoon trying to clean it up is the main clause, and after the bathroom flooded is the subordinating clause, and after is the subordinating conjunction. I couldn't meet the principal because he was busy in a meeting. Here because is the subordinating conjunction. Tell me how I should go about the work. Tell me is the principal clause. How I should go about the work is the subordinating clause, and starting with the subordinating conjunction how. I cannot meet the officer unless I am given an appointment. I cannot meet the officer is the main clause. Unless I am given an appointment, unless is the subordinating conjunction, and start yes. I already made an appointment so that I could inform him about the recent developments. Here main clause is I already made an appointment, and subordinating clause is so that I could inform him about the recent developments, and so that is the subordinating conjunctions. So this is about this chapter. Now I'm going to share worksheet for you all. So you will be solving the worksheet. Thank you, students.